Hello guys, welcome to Killing Floor. We're playing on... this thing is playing. We're playing on Silence Belch Brewery on beginning on Shortwaves. And this will be the first Killing Floor I do with commentary, which I was going to make the first one have commentary, but it did not record. So, let's just get in. Why's my sensitivity like out of whack? Pew pew pew! Hello, that's not... I shoot so fast, the game picking it up. There's two zombies, but only see one. Now I see one. You run faster with a knife out. If only you could run fast anyways, like a sprint. There's no sprinting in this game, so if you like want to run fast, you gotta like chop a light. Give me a minute. Audio. Let's go. It says it's like here. Here we go. Ah, there we go. Can I jump out this window? I can! It's probably gonna kill me. I could have done a Christmas special in this game.
It's time to go shopping. You're joking, right? You really need money for that piece.
This is my rifle! Just kidding, it's actually kind of like a submachine gun.
But you're on your own for now.
Great time, Moss.
Watch out, boys.
Fighting.
strategy is like when there's one zombie left, just run towards where the gunsmith is, and then kill him.
Just right.
No. Dun, 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 dun. I'm just walking around hitting everything. Let's explore with this 40 seconds we get. Factory. 'Cause there's a lot to see in this map. Oh, nice. That's a little tunnel. I think I've seen everything now.
That's some good stuff I told you. Put it to good use.
Seems like there's stuff over there I should go explore. Where's life can be? Where's this go?
Lovely big guns.
Blow flip lake of guns. I want
You ain't got the money for that one, babe.
And this is the reason why I switched to this the combat instead of invisible.
Shame, darling. But even you can't carry that much. No, friend Bruno, you can't carry that. You're off your rocker. How do you think you're gonna carry that one?
I need a really good, like, explosive weapon. Wait a minute, do I have any space? I do. Hand cannons. Well,
You'll need more money for that piece.
there we go. So in case the grenade launcher doesn't kill him, I will. Really silent gameplay for this game, because there's not really much to narrate besides just making weird sounds when you're winning or dying. Okay, let's see the picture. Where is he? He's right behind me. I can even see myself. Hey, look, there I am. You coward! Donk, the dink, the chink, the dink, the dink, little dink. These creatures make me think of like zombies from like Half-Life. Come on, make your father proud. If anyone doesn't know what I'm doing, my grenades heal because I'm a medic. And they also do damage enemies if they get within the way. Boom! That enemy's just like, God, I missed. Oh, I did it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, comment away. If you enjoyed the content that which I have provided, then subscribe. You get more. Until next time.